Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your email headers, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you create an email header in your free Canva account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create an email header for free in your Canva anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a newsletter, you know that creating your emails every single time can be time consuming. So if you set up an email header, you can use it every single time with your email provider like MailChimp. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your free Canva account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Canva account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and create an email header, what you're going to do is click up here in the search bar and just type in email header. Okay, so once you click there, you're going to see all of the templates that are available for email headers in your Canva account, but you want to click on this purple See All button. Okay, so here is the complete list. Now, one thing I want to let you know is most of these are free to use. However, if you see a crown like this one, or you see a dollar sign like this one down here, there's a cost associated with that. If you only want to see the free email headers in your Canva, you want to click on all filters right here. And then once you do that, you're going to see this drop down on the left, and just scroll down and click on free, and then click on apply. Okay, so now it just loaded up all of the email headers that are free to use. So just kind of scroll through and then see which one lines up with your brand. So I guess maybe if you're a real estate agent, maybe this one might work. They have this one for a tour guide. So let's see, this one looks pretty cool. Let me go ahead and click on that one. And the cool thing about Canva is they're going to show you other ones that are similar to the one that you chose. So sometimes you can scroll down and find a better one. But for me, this one looks just fine. So I'm going to go ahead and click customize this template. Okay, now we are in the Canva editor. So the cool thing about setting up your email header in Canva, it's like setting up a Facebook page. So as you hover over these things, you're going to see a purple bar around it. That means you can go ahead and change and swap those out. So for example, this one says Creative Corner. So maybe I'll want to go ahead and change this to my channel name. So let's see here. Okay, so I just changed my channel name. Now you can see it looks kind of weird because it got too big. So you can easily just triple click, and then you can edit the words. So up here on the top, I'll just shrink down the words. So I'm shrinking it down. Okay, so that fits in good. Looks like 33. Okay, and then right here, same thing. So we'll just do maybe learn to make money online. All right, and then maybe I don't really like these little flowers. So you can just click on it and then just click delete, and then we'll delete, and we'll click and delete. And then the color scheme doesn't really match up, this orange back here. So maybe I want to go ahead and just click on it, and then up here you can see the orange. We can change that. Okay, so let's try maybe blue. That looks better. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep that as a blue. And then you see this kind of pink down here. Same thing. I'm gonna click on it and then click on pink. And then maybe I want to do a green. That looks kind of like Easter to me. So no, I don't like that one. So I'll do a gray. Yeah, that looks good. Okay. And then we got a couple more flowers over here. So I'll go ahead and just delete those. I don't really want those on my email header. And then obviously this is not me. So I'll go ahead and click on her. And then what we're going to do is, the strange thing about Canva is you can't just right click and then swap her out for some reason. So what you want to do is go ahead and click on the image that you want to change. Next, over here on the left, click on uploads, and then you can choose an image that you've already uploaded into Canva. If you don't have the image here, you can easily click here on upload files and then upload it from your computer. Once you do that, it'll show up down here. And then all you're going to do is just grab the picture that you want. So maybe I want this one, and just drag it right over her. All right. So you can see it automatically resizes and replaces her, and you just drop it down. So let's see what that looks like. Okay. So that's starting to look good. So what you want to do next is click on elements, and you can add these various elements into your email header. So we have some shapes you can add here. So maybe I want to grab this and just drag it on over. All right, so we'll put that right there, and you can move it around. So we got that little arrow there. That doesn't look too bad. Okay, next you can also scroll down and you can do stickers. So for example, if you like these little hearts, you can just drag those little hearts over there, and you can see it's kind of big. Everything can be resized. So you just grab it by the little white dots and just kind of shrink it down. So maybe I want these little hearts to be up here on the top left. So that looks okay. And then another feature that I really like are the frames. So it's kind of like a picture frame. So you can just go ahead and scroll through for a frame. Like this one is a circle frame, but one that I like a little better is the blob. So let me drag this one over. Okay. And then what I'll do is I'm going to delete this circle, and I'm going to delete that circle. And then I'm going to drag this blob where the circle was. Maybe I'll make it a little bigger, and it has that kind of funky outline. And then all you're going to do with a frame is do the same thing we did earlier, uploads, and then find a picture and just drag it right into the frame. And that looks pretty cool. So it gives it like a nice little texture. The hearts don't really belong, so I'll go ahead and delete those. Okay, so that looks pretty good for an email header for me personally. Well, actually the name, I'll probably drag that over here a little bit better. Yeah, it looks better. Okay, next what I'll do is go ahead and click here on the top and then just rename this. So we'll do email header, make money online, Anthony. Okay, and then we're going to click on share, and then you want to click on download. Okay, now you want to choose the file type. So I usually use PNG, but that's up to you. You can use JPG depending on your email provider. So I'll click PNG, and then you just download it right here. Okay, just downloaded. Let me go ahead and open it up. All right, so there is my email header. It looks pretty good, and we did that pretty quick. Looks like in real time we did that in 8 minutes, and that was with me talking a lot. So now you can go ahead and upload this into your MailChimp or into your Gmail or your mail provider, whoever you use. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to make an email header in your Canva account for free, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.